combining like terms. So in this example, what we're looking for is terms that either have the same variable or don't have a variable at all. In this case, we have a 3x plus a 10x. This term, positive 3x, has an x. This term, which is a plus 10x, also has an x. So we can actually combine them. And we can just say 3x plus 10x. Well, what's 3 plus 10? That's 13. They both have the same variable, which is an x. And that's it. We just have to make sure they have to have the same variable or no variable. So when we add 3 plus 10, neither term has a variable, so we can combine them. If they have a different variable, if we have 3x plus 10y, we cannot combine them because they do not have the same variable. Now, if we look at this example, whoops, get my blank paper here. If we look at this example here, what we're going to be doing is combining terms that have the same variable and terms that don't have a variable. So what I like to do is I like to circle the terms with the variable with the sign out front. So I'm going to circle the plus 8x and the 7x because they both have an x. Now, if you have a different color, you can circle the other terms, but I also like to underline as well if I don't have a different color. So we circle the terms with a variable, we underline the terms that don't have a variable. So what I'm combining here is I'm going to say 7x plus 8x with the sign out front, and then plus 4, a positive 4 plus 7. So 7x plus 8x, well 7 plus 8 is 15. We add the x in front. 4 plus 7 is 11, so my final answer is going to be 15x plus 11. Okay, so circle the terms with the variable, underline the terms that don't have a variable. Now, a tricky one, distributive property with combining like terms. So what we have to do here is we have to distribute that 5 into both terms. Okay, so that's what we're going to do first. We're going to say 5 times 5n, and 5 times negative 4. So we get 25m right here, minus 20, which is right here, and then plus 5. So we circle the terms with a variable. We can circle the terms without a variable in a different color, or if you don't have another color, you can just underline the terms without the variable. So following addition and subtraction rules, negative 20 plus 5. We subtract 20 minus 5. We keep the sign of the larger number, which is a negative. So our final answer, 25m minus 15. So that's distributive property and combining like terms. So rewind that if you need to rewatch any of the video.